Hi everyone, and welcome to Creative Chelsey. If you like this video, please let me know by giving it a thumbs up or commenting below. If you want to see more of my videos, press the subscribe button and click on the bell for notifications. If you need any Stampin' Up! Products to make this card, you can visit my online store and the link is in the description box below. When you purchase Stampin' Up! Products through me, you can earn free products. Check out my current customer appreciation products on my blog, and the link is listed below as well. Today I'd like to share with you another alternative card using the April 2021 Paper Pumpkin Kit called So Cool. This fun kit created 12 of these fun and unique cards. I love that the shapes are totally different than what you would expect in a regular card. And what I like to do is take the products in those kits along with a couple other products and create fun alternative cards. So today's card is another fun fold card. This one has a latch here underneath the popsicle stick, and then it opens like that. It's kind of like a gate fold card, but just opens vertically. So let's go ahead and get started. So the very first thing we need to do is take a card base, and this one's cut to 4 1/4 inches by 11 inches, and we're going to score it at 2 different places. The first one is at 1 1/2 inches, and then we're just going to flip it and do it again at 4 inches. So if you don't want to flip it, the measurements for that would be 1 1/2 and 7. So my original card uses the fun kiwi pattern popsicle stick, and so the colors I've chosen go along with that. And you can always find everything that I've used in my videos down below in the description box. And so you can look there to see what colors I've used. For this card, I'm using the fun rainbow pattern, and so we've chosen different coloring. And so what I'm going to do next is to create some fun stripes on this Calypso Coral cardstock, and then stamp my greeting in the circle die cut from the kit. So to create those stripes, I've got a Calypso Coral Stampin' Right marker, and I'm just gonna start by drawing nice even lines across my cardstock. Now, if you want thicker lines, you could double up, or you could also add bigger gaps between the lines. And I think it's fun that it has this hand-drawn element so that the lines are not perfectly even all the way across. So one tip in doing lines like this is to have the paper at the same angle as your arm and hand. And so what I'm doing is I'm actually moving my arm away from my body to create those nice straight lines. So after you fold your card along those score lines, they should meet down at the bottom right there. And we're going to create a fun pattern using the scattered dots from the stamp set that came in the kit. Let me show you the stamp set really quick. It comes with all these really cute images and great greetings. And so we're going to use the scattered dots and the way to go for this card. So you're going to just lift up that small flap and use a coordinating color. So I'm using Calypso Coral here. And you're just going to ink that up and stamp it randomly all over your cardstock. So when you're done, you should have something that looks like this. Then for your greeting, you're going to use the Bermuda Bay ink spot that came in your kit along with your choice of greeting. I'm going to use Way to Go. And I'm going to ink that up and stamp it in the center of one of the circles. Okay, so now we're ready to put our card together. I'm going to begin by adding the Calypso Coral to my card base, just with some adhesive along the back. You don't want to add adhesive down to the bottom section though, so just do the top and about middle, and then place that evenly in the center of your card base. Next, I'm going to add some coordinating cardstock to my card as well. This piece goes a little bit over my cut line, and that's just to kind of hide the cut line there. So it's about a little more than 1/4 of an inch over, but you can just eyeball it. So you just add a little adhesive. I'm going to use some liquid adhesive and just kind of eyeball where you want to add this coordinating color. So I thought this fun Blackberry Bliss piece was a good touch. And so we're just going to add that like that, and you can see how it hides that cut line right there. And then I do want to add a little strip of Bermuda Bay just to pull in the ink color, and you can place that at the bottom as well. So a little bit of adhesive, and then just kind of overlap that cut. So you can either go right up to the line or bring it down just slightly, but make sure it's nice and even by using your grid paper or a ruler. So those 2 strips down at the bottom, and then we're going to add our popsicle. And you want to use dimensionals here, and you want to make sure that you start the dimensionals from the middle and then place a couple at the top so that this can lift up so that you can remove that piece at the bottom. So 1 in the center and then 2 at the top. And then you can do yours at an angle. Either way is really cute. So I'm going to do this one opposite so you can see how that looks and how that flap works to open up your card. So next we're going to add our greeting, and we're going to do it exactly the same way we've done with the other ones. We're going to add some adhesive to the back, and with 10 inches of twine, you're just going to create a faux bow. Make sure that it kind of goes along with the text so that it's on the side of the text. And then place a dimensional over the twine, and then you can cut some of the sides here to get some half pieces for the top and bottom. And then add this to your glimmer paper right in the center. And if you need to trim any of your twine, you can do that as well. And then this gets attached just straight onto your popsicle. So you could use liquid adhesive here if you want, or a strong adhesive, and just down in the corner like that. And then the last thing that I like to add, just to add a little extra bling, would be some rhinestones. I'm going to place those up in the top near the greeting, and then maybe a couple down here along the bottom. Like that. And my cute card is all done. A really cute, fun fold card. Well, I hope you enjoyed watching me create these fun cards today. If you're interested in getting written instructions or seeing close-up images, you can visit my blog, creativechelsey.com. If you'd like to subscribe to Paper Pumpkin, please use the link in the description box below. Thanks so much for watching. Have a creative day. Bye.